Okay guys, we got another BNSF westbound auto rack train on EJ's Trains here. Follow me on Facebook as well, EJ's Train. Here come the horn. Look like they might be slowing down a little bit. Busy Sunday afternoon on the BNSF. This is 3 trains in less than 45 minutes. So yeah, they're pretty busy today. This particular westbound is going a little slower than usual. They might be about to stop. Looks like he's slowing down. Yeah, he's slowing down. I think there's an eastbound coming. Yeah. I think he's estimating the length of his train so he can clear this crossing here, so he don't hold up traffic. Sorry if I'm moving around a little bit. I'm trying to put my strap hook back on. There we go. Yep. Graffiti there. You get brand new cars in these cars here. A little bit more. There's brand new automobiles in there. Look at that. You can see through some of these cars. This one here, you can see the cars, brand new automobiles. See them through the rack. Kansas City Southern. He's almost clear. He looks like he got about 11 more cars to clear the crossing. Very close. Oh, 11 cars. Come on, let these people by. Nine cars shy of clearing the crossing. Yeah, I believe there's an eastbound coming. So we'll see what happens. Gotta be waiting on the eastbound train to come through. About 8 cars. He's going west. That's a westbound, so they must be waiting on the eastbound coming this way to pass before they can clear. And the track's up the way, merged into a single track. Right now it's double, so he's probably waiting on the eastbound to come and clear that switch, and then they'll get moving. He's about 8 cars. About 8 cars shy of clearing the crossing. Yeah. Yeah, so it must be, there's an eastbound coming. Yeah. I actually got a scanner. I listened to them on the radio too. They, you know, the eastbound coming. So he should be flying past here pretty quick.
You're not from Chile, are you?
Not from here, but I live here. Yeah, yeah, I live here. Yeah, yeah. It's
We've had kids growing up with this race,
yeah.
and he doesn't live there anymore, but trying to see his model railroad.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is a very good rail fan location for rail fans. It's a lot of trains come through here, and they come through fast. Most of the time they're booking, you know. Oh, he's backing up. Oh wow. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel called E as in Eric. My name is Eric. J as in Jackson. My channel is called EJ's Trains. So if you guys go on YouTube, look up EJ's Trains. It's growing. E as in Eric, J as in Jackson, S Trains. I got a lot of videos, and also it's the same one on Facebook. EJ's Trains on Facebook. So if you guys got Facebook accounts, you could.
No, we don't have that, but I have YouTube.
You got YouTube? Say hi to the EJ's Trains.
Hi, EJ Trains.
All right, we got some new fans, guys. This will be posted today, so you'll see yourself on there. EJ's Trains on YouTube. Yeah, go on there and subscribe, and then you'll get and hit the notification bell. Yeah, please subscribe and send it to your son. Like I said, I'm growing. I'm a rail fan.
I'm glad you're doing this.
Thank you.
This is America.
Thank you. Thank you. I love it. Like I said, I got quite a few videos on there, and you'll see most of them here in the Chillicothe subdivision. EJ's Trains.
She's from Europe.
Uh-huh. Oh, God bless you. My name's Eric. Nice to meet you. I'm EJ. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
And we're really in Helga Grant.
Nice to meet you. God bless you.
So, but anyway, we've lived here for 59 years.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Nice. Nice.
Used to be the Santa Fe, and I had a lot of relatives working on Santa Fe.
You got a pen and paper on you? You're not going to forget that, are you? EJ's Trains.
No, I won't forget.
Please go on there and subscribe and send it to your son. I think you guys really see some ignite.
We're the guy that had initials.
Huh? Oh, okay. I think you really enjoyed the channel. I tried my best to post the best videos I can. So I mean, there's some really good shots on there.
Oh, I think it's so sad.
Yeah.
What happened to Valentine?
Oh.